it's me again. Once again, I am Nika from Nika and Sky Vlogs, and I am back with another study video. But the catch is, I am under my bunk bed. So yeah, let's get started. Let's choose the first thing that we're studying by using Wheel of Names. Yes, that wheel of yeah, dare, yeah, literally dare and despair, literally, that keeps happening in our school. Yes. Inputting all of my subjects. Okay, what are we studying first? If you guys can see it, I don't know if I'm positioning it correctly, honestly. Yeah, I guess that's good. What am I getting first? Okay, science it is, I guess. Science. I don't know if you guys saw that because my camera positioning is so freaking bad. So yeah, we're doing science first. Sky's favorite subject. I wish she was here. She's still in church, by the way. She is still in church. God damn it. Science. Oh, science. Hope you guys did not see my name. Our book has nothing. Yeah, it's already on chapter 2. I am secretary, so I receive nice copies of notes. So I'll just read from there. It is a lot though. Where is it? Yeah, teacher made me write this whole thing on the board. It's so big. Measurement is the process of use. Should probably highlight. What highlighter color do I choose? Red or green, blue, or gray? I'll choose pink because that's my least used color. I definitely do need a tape. At least I brought this with me. I brought my whole entire whiteboard. If my brother just comes through the door just running, I am gonna freak out. Mama. So milligram is for the lightest of light objects, and then gram
Like
is for
what?
lighter objects, but not very heavy. It's just
Yeah.
in the middle. I know there are more like decimeter ganon. I think that's for length or something. Height? I don't know.
Which one?
Decimeter?
It's for length.
Oh, really? Why is this the detector then so unstable? Parang meron na siyang gap dito. Tumaas siya. That's what holds the two decks together.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just hope that thing won't fall on me and give me brain damage. Yes, I think of the worst. One time we measured my bag's weight, and then literally we thought it would weigh like 2-3 kilograms, a friendly weight. It weighed 7.5 kilograms. I think that's not normal for a backpack of a 5th grader. Okay. I thought it was degrees Celsius, not centigrade. Who cares?
It's the same.
They're the same, I think.
Yeah. Centigrade and Celsius.
It is the standard units. One person in our class, I won't tell names, put an answer that is so ridiculous. We aren't even learning about it yet. But she put telekinesis. I think that's normal. And the question was what object or thing is used to measure temperature? Yes, she did answer that. No judging though, who even cares? But I'm honestly surprised that she actually answered that. That was the most obvious question teacher made. What is a triple beam balance? I need to search that up right now to see what it actually looks like. That's new, I guess. Add another tab. Triple beam balance. Holy. Yeah, I know it is for mass, but look at this. If you can't even see it, I do not think I positioned that correctly. But who even cares? This is what it is again. That's crazy. Why does it look like that? Why is it so big, first of all, on the picture? Back to studying. Okay. Weighing scale, mass. Triple beam balance, mass. Digital scale, mass. Thermometer. temperature. Importance of measurements. They're already in bold, so I'll just underline it. Yeah, I'm too lazy to highlight that, but that is good enough. Now the hardest one, in my opinion. Physical and chemical properties of matter. Like, why is there so many of them? Like, literally, I'm gonna turn into that person choking himself as a meme. Highlighter color green. Imagine this green is actually so cute and I never used it. That is such a cute green. It's so pastel. Two main properties of matter: physical properties and chemical properties. Roman numeral number 1. Physical properties of matter. Physical properties are characteristics of matter that can be observed or measured without changing the substance into a new material. These properties can help us describe and compare materials. Number 1, mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Milligram, gram, kilogram. Weight is the force of gravity pulling an object towards the earth. It's measured in newtons. Volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. I thought that was the amount of matter packed into an object. That's density, damn it. That's what Sky would honestly say to me, I think. Yeah, that is how she sounds like. She's like, damn it. When she says damn it, she's like, damn it. She's like she has a sore throat or something. Thought someone shut the door. Almost done with science. Still haven't given out pointers, I think. I'm not really sure though. First planned video failed. Second planned video failed. Third planned video still editing. This is my second ever video by myself. Yes, it has been like a week since my birthday. Yeah, it has been a week and 2 days since my birthday, and yes, we are still not done editing the birthday vlog. One time, teacher was saying the units that we use for temperature. He said it: degrees Celsius, degrees Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Someone asked, who is Kelvin? Kelvin is not a person, it is a unit. Kelvin can still be a name though. Who is calling? Who the heck is calling? Brittleness. Break easily when hit or subjected to strong force. Was that sky? I'm not even sure. Just gonna check. I swear the YouTube shorts are gonna flashbang this, so don't even mind.
No, mango.
Never mind. She is still at church.
No. Mèo bao.
Drama going on in the Five Abusan GC.
Ba't
No.
maingit kasi?
There's one asking what the homework is.
Pasok?
Don't ask about my brother, please do not.
Alam
Please
mo,
do
pasok
not.
ko pa.
Wala ba?
Hindi nakalagay, walang pasok.
Sa Manila lang yun.
Sa Manila yun. Quezon City tsaka
Quezon City lang yun.
Tsaka Manila.
Tama
Yeah,
ka sa
don't
Manila?
mind the background noises.
Bakit mo?
Conductivity.
Hindi mo kang...
Allows heat or electricity to pass through. Malleability. Ability of a material to be hammered or pressed into thin sheets without breaking. Ductility is the ability to be drawn into thin wires.
Hello.
Cool, right? My favorite is ductility. It's so freaking hard to memorize. That's why I like it. I just realized I have to cut this video short since YouTube only allows up to 15-minute videos if you're not verified. Yeah, who even cares anymore? I'll just tell Sky to verify, I guess. I'll tell her right now, in fact, even though she's still at church, she'll read it later. I'll upload this video tomorrow.
Oo.
Okay, yeah, let's try to see if my YouTube will actually let me verify for once.
Lago ka sa Manila sa Quezon City? No. Bakit mo? Hindi mo kay ABC? Smiley A.
Ay, ganda.
Nope,
Hindi mo
I'm
kay...
just trying to get my...
Yes,
Ewan ko ba to?
shoot, yes.
I don't even know what page that is. Okay, most chemical properties can't be undone, so pretty easy. But hard part is memorizing them. Yep, I am done. Done highlighting everything in science and actually understanding this time.
Understanding physical, chemical properties.
Yes. Most chemical properties cannot be undone. I mean chemical changes.
Yeah.
Well, I have to cut this video short again.